Optoma UHZ50 review, pros and cons. Pros. Super bright picture. As per many users, everything looks great. It is a great projector for watching movies and playing games in 4K. It is a laser projector, which means there is no bulb to replace. It will last for many years. Very low latency. It is an Optoma projector, which means the best bang for the buck. The 3D picture is amazing. Cons. As per some users, it is overpriced. Limited throw options. Some users faced focus uniformity issues. Some users faced focus uniformity issues. Limited remote functions. Limited apps. That's it. Please like and subscribe.